Moving can be stressful, but your business doesn't have to be. At NetMaxims, we craft cutting-edge movers packers apps that simplify operations and deliver unparalleled customer satisfaction. Whether it's local shifting, removals, warehousing, or commercial relocation, our Movers Packers app is designed to meet every unique need with precision and ease. Our app is the ultimate tool for moving businesses. Whether you're scaling up or optimizing your workflow, we've got you covered. Easy booking and customization of services, real-time tracking of movers and updates, instant quotes and secure payments all in one place. For your team, our driver app ensures seamless job notifications and scheduling, GPS navigation for efficient routes, real-time updates, and job history tracking. Stay in control with a powerful admin panel to manage bookings and assign resources, track team performance, and generate insightful reports. Customize settings to fit your business model. Keep everyone informed with real-time GPS tracking, building trust and ensuring transparency. Advanced inventory management helps your customers organize their belongings for a hassle-free move. Offer flexibility with multiple payment options and instant invoicing for a professional touch. Our app grows with your business, add features, integrate APIs, and scale effortlessly as your needs evolve. Engage your customers with timely notifications, 24/7 support, and loyalty programs to keep them coming back. Elevate your moving business with NetMaxims Movers Packers app. Designed for efficiency, built for growth. NetMaxims, your trusted partner for Movers Packers app development. Contact us today.